Well, hello, Grub Lady back, known as Lorelei from the Environmental Factor. We noticed that the last couple of months we've had a lot of big downpours of rain. Then we have an extreme amount of heat. But what happens to your soil in those periods? Well, one of the things is when you're cultivating soil and turning it, putting in seeds, pulling plants, you lose the microbes in the soil. So what we've come up with is a new product. It's called Genesis MC8, made here in Canada. So what it has in it, it has mycorrhizans. It has bacilluses, which are very good for your soil. We have iron, magnesium, zinc, humic acid. All of these are very good for your soil. Helps to grow the roots. The roots then uptake all the nutrients in the soil, making your plants healthier, thicker, and also if they get bombarded by different insects, it gives the plant a little bit of strength to fight those off. Also for the stress, it helps through stress of those ups and downs of temperature and moisture and water. So this is called Genesis MC8, how it's applied. Now, one of the things is with this, it is highly concentrated. You don't need a lot. So what the company also provides inside is a measuring device for you. Because when they say you only need 2 grams, it's not a lot. So they supply this little tiny itty bitty shovel. So it's 1 scoop of shovel into a hose end sprayer. Now you can use any hose end sprayer you have. We do sell it online. You can buy it on Amazon. But in this case, I'm just using my old grub sprayer that I have. So I've put my 2 grams in, and you're going to soak down the soil, spraying your garden. I'm going to move the camera a bit so you can see me watering, and not that that's exciting, but I like to water close to the ground, to where the plants are, especially with tomatoes, because you don't want the soil to splash up onto the leaves because it can cause mildew and mold. Tomatoes don't like it. So put those microbes back in. It has mycorrhizone also in there, which is very helpful. Continue to do that. You'll notice some changes within a couple of weeks. The roots will expand. You'll have better yields of your crops.